নমস্কাৰ ষ্টাডি উইথ পিপিলৈ পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিব লৈছোঁ সাধাৰণ বিজ্ঞানৰ পদাৰ্থ বিজ্ঞানৰ ওৱান লাইনাৰসমূহৰ বিষয়ে। ইয়াত আমি দুটা পাৰ্টত লৈ আহিম। ইয়াত ফিজিক্স অৰ্থাৎ পদাৰ্থ বিজ্ঞানৰ সকলো কুৱেশ্যন পাই যাব আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰাই পৰীক্ষাত অহা চান্স অতিকৈ বেছি, গতিকে অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয়। ভিডিঅ'টো শেষলৈকে চাব আৰু এই বস্তুখিনি নোট কৰি ল'ব যাতে পৰীক্ষাত আহিলে আপোনালোকে উত্তৰসমূহ কৰিব পাৰে। আৰু লগতে আমাক আগৰ ভিডিঅ'সমূহত আপোনালোকে যি মৰম দি গৈছে তাৰ বাবে প্ৰথমে ধন্যবাদ জনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ। আৰু লগতে আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'সমূহ চাই এনেকৈ আমাক মৰম দি যাবলৈ বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ। গতিকে আহক আজি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Through which of the medium can sound not travel? অৰ্থাৎ কোনটো মাধ্যমেৰে শব্দ পাৰ হৈ যাব নোৱাৰে। আমি সকলোৱে জানো যে শব্দ পাৰ হ'বলৈ এটা মিডিয়াম লাগে, এটা মাধ্যম লাগে, যেনেকৈ হওক পানী হওক, এয়াৰ হওক বা কাঠ হওক বা এনেকুৱা গোটা বস্তু হওক, তেনেকুৱা মাধ্যমেৰে শব্দসমূহ পাৰ হৈ যাব পাৰে। যদি তাত কোনো মাধ্যম নাথাকে তেতিয়া শব্দসমূহ পাৰ হৈ যাব নোৱাৰে। ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব ভেকাম। ঠিক আছে। The theory of relativity is associated with এলবাৰ্ট আইনষ্টাইন। Theory of relativity কাৰ লগত এছ'চিয়েট হৈ আছে? এলবাৰ্ট আইনষ্টাইনৰ সৈতে। According to which law at constant temperature the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure? সেইটো হ'ল বয়ছ ল, মনত ৰাখিব। তাৰপিছত আহিলে SI ইউনিট কিছুমান আছে, ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট পৰীক্ষাত আহি থকা দেখা যায়, গতিকে এইকেইটা মনত ৰাখিব। SI ইউনিট অফ ফ'ৰ্চ নিউটন, SI ইউনিট অফ ৰেজিষ্টেঞ্চ ওম, SI unit of radioactivity becquerel. What is the SI unit of pressure? Pascal. The SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. SI unit of angular velocity is radian, second. SI unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of area is square meter. SI unit of pressure to আকৌ আহিলে Pascal. Newton is the unit of measure force. ঠিক আছে। SI unit of power of the lens called diopter. যিটো লেন্সৰ পাৱাৰ তাক কোনটো SI ইউনিটে জোখা যায় সেইটো হ'ল diopter. SI unit of sound was named in honor of which physicist? Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. সেইটো মনত ৰাখিব। What is measured in joules? Joules কি জোখা হয়? Joules এনাৰ্জি জোখা হয়। The rate of doing of work is called power. The unit of power is watt. Power যেনেকৈ আমি লাইটৰ পাৱাৰ থাকে ন, আমাৰ যিটো বাল্ব জ্বলে তাৰ পাৱাৰ থাকে, কিমান ৱাটৰ তাত লিখা থাকে, হয়নে? 9 ৱাটৰ 7 ৱাটৰ যিবোৰ LED বাল্ব হয়, সেইটো পাৱাৰৰ SI ইউনিট বা ইউনিটটো কি হয়? watt. Sorry. Which unit is used to measure the intensity of sound? সেইটো হ'ল decibel. A light year is a unit of, light year to কিহৰ unit? Distanceৰ unit. Which branch of physics deals with property of fluid at rest? এইটো কি হয়? Hydrostatic. What is the other name of Newton's first law of motion? সেইটো হ'ল law of inertia. The momentum of a object of mass m moving with a velocity v is given by momentum equal to m into v. Momentumৰ লগত mass আৰু velocity পূৰণ, momentum হৈছে mass আৰু velocity পূৰণ ফল, অৰ্থাৎ mass আৰু velocity, massৰ লগত velocity পূৰণ কৰিলে আমি কি পাম? momentum পাম। ঠিক আছে। তাৰপিছত আহিলে which of the two colors of spectrum form the extremes? সেইটো হ'ল violet and red. What is the momentum of an object having mass of 14 kg and velocity 28 meter per second? সেইটো হ'ল 392 kilogram meter per second. ঠিক আছে The three law of motion were proposed by কোনে propose কৰিছে তিনটা law of motion Newton Which type of mirror is used by dentists to see large image of patient teeth যেটো দাঁতৰ ডক্টৰে ইউজ কৰে যেটো লেন্স দাঁতবোৰ ডাঙৰকে চোৱাৰ বাবে সেই লেন্সখনৰ নাম কি এখনৰ নাম হ'ল কনকেভ মিৰৰ ঠিক আছে Which type of mirror lens কোনে mirror কৈছে দেই Which devices is used to measure the atmospheric pressure barometer atmospheric pressure জুখিবলৈ কোনটো ডিভাইস ইউজ কৰা হয় হেতু হ'ল barometer the ability of eye to focus on both near and distant object by adjusting its focal length is called the eye accommodation modern electrical generator work on principle of electromagnetic induction travelers in deserts often tends to have an optical illusion of a sheet of water where none actually exists. What is this called? Mirage. Morishika bole je kau hetu dei. Who invented the modern mercury thermometer with a standardized scale? Kone korise Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. ঠিক আছে Who provided the basic theory about the nature of matter? কোন হয় John Dalton. Who proposed the law of planetary motion? Johannes Kepler. Long radio waves were discovered by কোনে কৰিছে Marconi. Which British physicist was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1906 for his work on discovery of electron কোন হয় তেখেত J.J. Thomson মনত ৰাখিব দেই Give me a place to stand and I will move the word Which famous scientist said this word এই সেন্টেন্সটো কোনজন famous scientist কৈছিল Give me a place to stand and I will move the word কোন তেখেত Archimedes Who discovered the law of planetary motion এটো দুবাৰ ৰিপিট হৈছে দেই এজন কোন হয় Kepler In 1752 which American scientist shows that lightning and the spark from your clothes are essentially the same phenomena কোন তেখেত Benjamin Franklin Name the British chemist who presented his atomic theory in 1808 on conservation of mass and length of definite proportion, which was a turning point in the study of matter. কোন হয় তেখেত John Dalton. ঠিক আছে তেওঁ basic theory about the nature of matter দিছে এটো দিছে conservation of mass and law of definite proportion which was turning point in the study of matter এটো দিছে John Dalton মনত ৰাখিব দেই who is considered as a father of nuclear physics কাক কনসিডার কৰা হয় as a father of nuclear physics তেওঁৰ নাম হৈছে E Rutherford who was the founding director of BERC Mumbai founding director কোন H.J. Bhabha Homeo Jahangir Bhabha তেওঁৰ কমপ্লিট নাম ঠিক আছে Who formulated the equation E equal to mc square E equal to mc square কোনে দিছিল এই সূত্ৰটো কোনে দিছিল সূত্ৰটো দিছিল Albert Einstein The phenomena of dispersion of light into its 7 constituent color was discovered by Isaac Newton in 1666 Visible radiation was discovered by Visible radiation কোনে discovered কৰিছিল Sir Isaac Newton Who noticed the deflection of the compass needle every time current was passed through the wire Hans Christian Ørsted Who was the first person to obtain a spectrum by passing light through a prism কোন হয় Isaac Newton Television was invented by J.L. Baird. The ability of medium of reflect light into reflect light is also expressed in terms of its কি হয় answer to optical density. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called pole. মনে রাখিব। The voltmeter is an instrument which can detect the presence of potential difference. ঠিক আছে? The instrument used to measure current is called ammeter, which instrument is used to show the direction of flow of current in a circuit is called galvanometer, which device is used to convert alternating current into direct current. কোনটো ডিভাইসে এসি কারেন্টটো ডিসি লৈ কনভার্ট কৰে বুলি কৈছে ৰেক্টিফায়াৰ ঠিক আছে automobile are fitted with a device that shows the distance travel যেটো ডিস্টেন্স দেখায় যেটো ডিভাইস ফিট কৰে সেই ডিস্টেন্স দেখাবলৈ যেটো ডিভাইস ফিট কৰে গাড়ীত সেই ডিভাইসটোৰ নামটো কি অডোমিটাৰ which instrument is used to measure wind speed anemometer. An instrument used to measure humidity is called hygrometer. The technology that used the reflection of ultrasound wave to produce image of the heart is known as echocardiography. Instrument used to store the electric surge is known as capacitor, which is used to detect cracks and flaws in metal block. Ultrasound, which subatomic particle was discovered by J. Chadwick Newton, which is not generally the properties of nonmetal conductors. Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect in 1921. A microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. The speed of sound when it passes from solid to gaseous medium decreases. যেতিয়া solid mediumৰ পৰা gaseous mediumলৈ sound এটা যায় তেতিয়া ই তাৰ স্পীডটো লুজ কৰে তাৰ ডিক্ৰিজ হয় ঠিক আছে we hear others speaking to us from adjacent room due to of sound wave কি বুলি কয় diffraction বুলি কয় ঠিক আছে the lens which is thin in the middle and thick at its periphery is called a concave lens ঠিক আছে rocket works on the principle of conservation of momentum. Which type of mirror is used by dentists to see large image of passenger? এটো আকৌ আহিলে এটো হল concave mirror, which was discovered by Henry Becquerel. Henry Becquerel কোনটো discover কৰিছে radioactivity. Which color deviates the least when light passes through a prism? Red. ৰঙা আটাইতকৈ কম বেকা হয় যেতিয়া এটা প্ৰিজমৰ মাজেৰে লাইট পাৰ হৈ যায় হেতু কাৰণে ঠিক আছে which energy of the wind does a windmill use kinetic energy if a lens has a focal length of 25 cm what will be the power of the lens 4D The force of attraction applies between molecules of the same substance is called cohesive force. For communication, elephant can make a noise as loud as 103 decibel, but they often use low frequency sound, some of which pass through the crown. The sound are called infrasound. If a person had difficulty in seeing distant object clearly, what condition he is suffering from and how can it be corrected? Myopia using concave lens. What is the equation for Newton's second law of motion? F equal to ma. Shadow are from when objects come in the path of light opaque. The rate of change of momentum of a object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. This rule is known as Newton's second law of motion. ঠিক আছে? The boiling point of liquid nitrogen is minus 196 degrees Celsius. What is the speed of sound in air? 343 meter per second. The atomic number of an element in the nucleus of each atom of that element, proton. Which type of light carries a signal from a television remote to the device it controls? Infrared. The friction in liquid is called viscosity. Name of an example of thermometer fusion reaction. Hydrogen bomb. Thermonuclear fusion reaction. Hydrogen bomb. এইটো বহুত আজিকালি নিউজত আছে হাইড্ৰোজেন বম ইউজ কৰিছে এইটোৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় মনত ৰাখিব repeated reflection that results in the persistence of sound is called reverberation. A spring balance is a device commonly used for measuring the acting on an object called force. The value of G is maximum at poles. Gravitational force to code বেশি হয় সবতকে poles মেরু অংশত বেশি হয়. Blood pressure is the force that blood exerts against the wall of a vessels. ঠিক আছে? Which can produce a virtual image larger than the object, concave mirror. Which equipment is used to transform mechanical energy into electrical energy? Dynamo. Which is the unit of measurement used for measuring the energy requirement of the human body? Calories. The 10% law of energy transfer was given by Raymond Linderman. Light travels in a straight line. The unit of force is kgms minus 2 meter per second square. ঠিক আছে? এইটো নিউটন বুলি কোৱা হয়. The work done by force acting on an object is equal to the amount of force multiplied by the distance traveled in the direction of the force, which is unit of joule. Joule কি জোখা হয়? Energy. মনত ৰাখিব. Power কি আছিলে? Watt. মনত ৰাখিব. এনেকুৱা আহি থকা দেখা যায় দেই. Force কি? Newton. দেই তেনেকৈ মনত ৰাখিব. Which device is used to identify the presence of electric surge on an object? Electroscope. Rainbow is a natural phenomenon which shows dispersion. What does LED stand for in semiconductor? Electrons. Light emitting diodes. How many laws of motion were given by Isaac Newton? 3 laws. What is the full form of MCB? Miniature circuit breaker. The fuse wire is always connected to the live wire. Metal commonly used for making an electromagnetic iron. The weight of a body is maximum at the pole. কৈছিলো gravitational force বেশি তার কারণে weight to বেশি দেখাবো. An ice cube is floating on the surface of water. How will the water level be affected by melting of this ice cube? Water level will remain the same. ঠিক আছে? A moving electric surge produces both electric and magnetic field. Distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Scalar vector মনে রাখিব. Distance to scalar quantity or displacement to whole vector quantity. Growth of the baby in the uterus is found using ultrasound. ঠিক আছে? Tungsten is used for the manufacture of electric bulb because it has a very high melting point. জলদি গলি না যায় বহুত গৰম হলেহে গলিব সেইটো কাৰণে ইয়াত টাংস্টেনটো ইলেক্ট্ৰিক বাল্বত ইউজ কৰা হয় ঠিক আছে? The lens used for the rectify long sight is called convex. Ball pen work on the principle of capillarity and surface tension. Water stored in a dam possesses potential energy. The basic process taking place in a nuclear reactor is fission. An electric generator actually acts as a converter of energy. Parsec is the unit measurement of astronomical distance. One astronomical unit equal to 150 million kilometers. One parsec is equal to 3.086 into 10 to the power 16 meter. Astronomical unit is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. The acceleration in a body is due to unbalanced force. The screw gauge is an instrument to measure the dimension of a very small object up to 0.01 mm. A boat will submerge when it disperses water equal to its own weight. The splitting of different color of light in a prism is dispersion of light. Surface tension in a liquid is due to cohesive force between molecules. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 meter. Woolen clothes keep the body warm as wool is a bad conductor of heat. The temperature of a liquid is 32 Fahrenheit. What is the temperature in Celsius scale? 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. মনে রাখিব আহিব এইটো পৰীক্ষাত. Which catching a ball, a player pulls down his hands to lower the momentum. The sky seems blue as of scattering of light. In which form is the sublight heat energy stored during change in temperature of substance? Kinetic energy. Dynamo is a device for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. When milk is churned, the cream from it is separated due to centrifugal force. Short sight in human eye can be corrected by using proper concave lens. A falling drop of rainwater acquires the spherical shape due to surface tension. When a body is taken from Earth to Moon, weight change but mass remains same. The oil in the wick of an oil lamp rises up due to capillary action. Sound wave are longitudinal. The periscope work on the principle of total internal reflection. Heat stored in water vapor is latent heat. Saving mirror is concave. Hydraulic brake in automobile work on Pascal principle. Milk is a colloidal system in which fat is dispersed in water. Neutrons are slowed down in a nuclear reactor by moderator. The unit of electrical power is watt or joule per second. Electric current is a metal wire is due to the flow of electrons. The value of acceleration due to gravity minimum at equator. The value of acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. The device used for locating submerged objects under sea is sonar. The distance from the pole to the focus is called focal length. What is the nature of eye lens of human eye is convex in nature. Focal length of eye lens can be adjusted by ciliary muscle. The speed of the sound remain unchanged by the increase or decrease of pressure. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. When a body falls freely under gravity, then the work done by the gravity is positive. The sum of kinetic and potential energy of an object is called its mechanical energy. ঠিক আছে? আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানেই আছিলে যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে প্লিজ এটা লাইক কৰি দিব আৰু শেষলৈকে চোৱাৰ কাৰণে আপোনাক অতিকৈ ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ আৰু লগতে ভিডিঅ'টো বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকললৈ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব আৰু আপোনালোকে প্লিজ জনাবচোন আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো অসমৰ কোনটো অঞ্চলৰ পৰা চাই আছে যদি আমি জানো আমি ভাল পাম যে আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'সমূহ অসমৰ কোন কোন ঠাইৰ পৰা চাই